Hey guys, it's Ryan Hoffman here at Wholesale Capital Corporation, your direct mortgage lender, doing mortgages for new home purchase, investment property purchase, refinance of existing mortgages, as well as reverse mortgages. If you have the inkling that you may be wanting to buy right now, whether you are pre-approved and you're actively shopping, or you're just thinking about it, or you're planning on doing the process after the holiday season because now it's time to hang in and settle in for the cool winter. So I want to give you some information that might help you make better decisions, and it might be the right move for you, but there may be some stuff you haven't considered, and I want to share that with you. Number one, we're going to talk about interest rates. Interest rates are going up and have been going up, and I wanted to share some charts here with you that will seem a little crazy here, but let's just look at most recently. Yesterday was one of the biggest increases in interest rates we've seen in a single day in the entire year. Last big day was February. Now keep in mind, this chart going down is bad. Down is bad for this bond, which means interest rates are going up. So down is bad. Now you may look at this and say, okay, well, it's one bad day. What does that really do? I'm going to push this out to maximum, how long this chart is in the system. This goes all the way back to 2013. It has been a long time, and we're at the the worst levels in many, many, many years. So when you hear people thinking about buying a house and they go in and they talk to their lender, like, why is interest rate so high? They've been going up. We've been trying to tell you. So keep that in mind. Now is a good time because we're expecting them to get even worse. When you talk about what's going on in the news, the Fed is raising interest rates. They're no longer repurchasing any bonds. Long story short, they're not reinvesting into the mortgage market, which means that the cost of a bond will be increasing because of there's less and less liquidity in the market because the Fed is not reinvesting. Long story, sounds very complex, and it is, but if you want to take a look at that, there's some other articles you can go to. Long story short, rates are going to go up even higher than they are now. So what do we do about that? Now's the time to buy, and let me share some information here about why you should buy before the holidays. If you buy now, if you go out and start looking for a house and you get it in contract this month, your close of escrow will not be until November. If you close in November, your loan funds in November, you get keys in November, your first mortgage payment is not until January of 2019. So you've got a good chunk of time. You'd be able to get in most likely before Thanksgiving, and you'd be able to spend Christmas in your new house, and your first mortgage payment would not be until after New Year's. So there you go. Hope this was helpful. If you are out shopping, I hope this is giving you some good knowledge so you can be a little extra motivated to spend some time on the weekends looking at houses. If you have not been pre-approved yet, or you have any friends or family who might benefit from watching this and want to get pre-approved, one, share this video with them. Happy to help. And number two, give me a call. My phone number right here on the screen, area code 951-312-8650, or shoot us an email at ryanhoffmanteam@wccloans.com. Spending a few minutes on the phone, I can let you know what you can qualify for, how much you can expect to put down monthly payment wise, and all this fun stuff. And it's just a simple phone call. So, of course, no charge. So, you guys have a great day. Give me a call. And if I don't talk to you, have a great weekend. See ya.